making your websites better SEO and found on Google. It's pretty easy in Wix. All you need to do is go to your website setting. Here you can go to the um, option of SEO setup checklist. After clicking on the SEO setup checklist, you will go to start your SEO journey to found on Google. After that, you can see answer three questions. We can build personal checklist for this site. You can start on get started. This will start indexing. You can enter the name of your brand and stuff. After entering your brand name and stuff, you will start getting indexed on Google, and this way you can start getting traffic from the Google. Indexing your site on Google can help you to people discover it without so much efforts, without so much marketing. Wix.com is already a great builder and SEO for making your landing pages and blogs to be public without so much fuss. And I'll see you in the next one.